So today we are learning about factorization using special algebraic identities. So yeah, in the previous topic we have learned how to expand algebraic expressions using these three formulas here. So we can review or even better to memorize it again in the previous topic. For now, let's move on. Now, factorize each of the following expressions completely. So we have x squared plus 9 plus 18x plus 81. Now, the first thing we have to do here is we root the last one here. So 81, when you root it, it will become 9. So 81 is 9 square. That means basically 81 is 9 square. So we can change the 81 into 9 square. Now, the middle one, this number 80, we will want to break it down. Break it down to 2 and 9. So it is always 2. It should be always 2, okay? Why? Because we are following this formula. 2ab, right? The middle. So we should always have the 2. And as a result, we have 9 here. So again, the way you get 2 and 9, because 18 when divided by 2 is 9. Okay. And usually, this number will be the same as this number in the back. Yeah. That way, you can simplify this into this. So you just take the x and the last number, 9. And then you put bracket and a square. That's it. You already done factorizing it. Yeah, we apply this method. So this is the a plus b square. That's why we need to change this form into the a square plus 2ab plus b square first. See? Yeah. So the same thing here. We root first. Yeah. So 9x squared is basically, when you root 9, you'll get 3. So basically 9x squared is 3x squared. And 16 is 4 squared. So when we break down 24, we will break it down. We should always have 2 here. So 24 divided by 2 is 12, right? We should always have the same number here also, like in the back. So we divide it by 4 again. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So you notice we always will have the see, it's x here, then it's x. 9, 9. 3x, 3x. 4, 4. Yeah. If you have something like that, that means you can simplify it to 3x plus 4 squared. Right. Move on. Now what about this one? Just the same thing. It's just that the x here now is on the back. So yeah, same thing. 49 is 7 squared. 36x squared is 6x squared. So the 84, first we want to divide by 2. We will get 42. And then because it's 6x here, 6, yeah, we want to divide the 42 by 6, and we'll get 7, which is the same as this one. Okay? So again, if you notice, after you divide the middle one by 2, you should always get the remaining two numbers, which is the same as at the front and the one at the back. Yeah, see, 3x, 3x, 4, 4. Same thing. 7, 7, 6x, 6x. That way, you just take the first number and the last number. Yeah. And then, yeah. And by the way, you should always be careful of the operation symbols here. So if it's the middle one, yeah, if it's negative, this should be always negative. Now this 2 is positive. That's why it's positive here for the result. This one is negative 2. That's why the answer will be negative also. Yeah, so this is 3x squared. This is 5y. 3x, 5y. Make sure the middle one. 30 divided by 2, 15. So 15 divided by 3, 5. See? Get the same? Then you can apply this formula. If it's not the same, That's why you should check. If it's not the same, you cannot apply this formula, okay? You gotta factorize it with another way. Okay? With another way. Which we will talk about that later, maybe not in this chapter, but later in another chapter, yeah? So now this formula here, mm, 103 square minus 9. So we change the 9 to 3 square. So it's all about the square number here. So using this is a square minus b square, right? We can change it into a plus b times a minus b. So it will make the calculation easier. Okay, so that's it for the yeah, factorization using the algebraic identities. So okay, bye bye. Hope you understand.